Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss an obiter dicta or passing a remark by Honorable Chief Justice of India regarding right to vote. Normally, we will be having so much of discussion whether right to vote is a constitutional right, whether right to vote is a statutory right, whether compulsory voting is necessary, is it there in India or not. All these questions will be boggling your mind while you are studying the Constitution. Yesterday, the 5 judges bench, they have dismissed the public interest litigation filed in the name of Ashwani Kumar Upadhyay versus Union of India regarding one constituency, one candidate, one person, one candidate. So, regarding Section 33, Clause 7 of the Representation of People Act as well as Article 101 of the Constitution of India. We all know that till 1966, anybody can contest from any number of seats. That is, let it be Pan India, East, West, North, South. But it is for the people to elect him. But in 1996, yes, only the cutoff mark or cutoff figure is only 2. A candidate can contest from 2 places. So Ashwani Kumar Upadhyay, he has requested the court to limit the same to 1 per 1 constituency. If he wants to contest from 2 constituencies, hefty amount has to be collected as the so-called caution deposit for the candidate. Anyway, Supreme Court has clearly stated that it has to be a political decision and judicial intervention is not at all required. In this connection, this topic of right to vote has come. Previously, please remember, in the year 2022, I believe, in the case of Anoop Baranwal versus Union of India in WP Civil number 104 by 2015 on 23/11/2022, Constitutional Bench headed by K.M. Joseph, they held that right to vote is a constitutional right because he has made the advocate read Article 326 in the open court. So, Article 326 says right to vote, elections to the vacancy election to the members of parliament or members of legislative assembly. Yes, it can be done on the basis of adult suffrage. Adult suffrage means a person who has attained the age of 13 years and who is the citizen of India, he can exercise his vote. So, every citizen, every person shall be entitled to be registered as a voter unless disqualified. If he is a minor, all these 18 years and other things. So previously it was 21 years. By mistake I have told 21. Now it is 18 years only. Rajiv Gandhi made it 18 years. So unless otherwise disqualified, every person shall be entitled to be registered as a voter. So, shall be entitled, shall be. If you go to the interpretation, what does it mean? Yes, definitely, shall be registered as a voter means it is a constitutional right. Moreover, Article 19(1)(a) of the so-called fundamental rights, it clearly says, yes, right to so-called right to freedom of speech and expression. When it will come, if you elect a person, then only he will make your voice be heard in the assembly. So Article 19(1) is also more important. So please remember Article 19(1), yes, right of expression, it includes right of the people to elect and for the people to vote. So it's a constitutional right, of course, as per the obiter dicta by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud. Of course, he has not elaborated in the matter, but anyway, sometimes the expressions given by the Chief Justice of India, they carry very good weight. Even though you can call them as obiter dicta, even though it does not find part in the particular judgment, but the opinion juris, definitely. Whenever any word comes from the mouth of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, it carries some weight. Anyway, it is for the court to decide whether already lot of cases are there. Some cases they say that right to vote is a fundamental right, and some cases they say right to vote is a constitutional right, and actually constitutional right we have to agree, but statute right, some people say that is a statute right. Yes, as per the Representation of the People Act also it is there. It can be argued in any manner, but as students, please remember it is a constitutional right, because our honorable CJ I also supported the same. Okay, with this I am concluding. Thank you very much.